Welcome to Study Loop.
This is the answer to Chapter 13, problem number 28 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And so this problem is giving us three molecules and three mass specs and asking us to match each molecule to its mass spectrum. And so for A is going to be spectrum 3, and we can identify that because we know that it should have two molecular ion peaks, or an M peak and an M+2 peak. And then, so the same can be said of B, which contains a chlorine. So when we're looking at molecule A, we can eliminate spectrum number 2 because it does not show two molecular ion peaks, or an M and an M+2 peak. But we cannot eliminate one. We can't differentiate between 1 and 3 until we look at the ratio of those peaks. So remember that bromine is going to give you a peak ratio of 1 to 1 for your M to your M+2. Chlorine instead is going to give you a ratio of 3 to 1. So 3M to 1M+2. And so that is how you assign A to spectrum 3, and also how you assign B to spectrum 1. So it obviously has to be the other spectrum with an M and an M+2, and it should occur in about a 3 to 1 ratio. And so we see for B that spectrum 1 fulfills those necessary characteristics. So by process of elimination, we know now that C has to be spectrum 2. And I wrote it out, even though, by process of elimination, it's the only one left. But so C should not give us an M+2 peak. And we see that spectrum 2 is the spectrum that fulfills that qualification. And so C is spectrum 2. And that is the answer to Chapter 13, problem